The 60-second driver.
Your child's safety is a priority. Using a car seat can significantly reduce the chance of your child being hurt or killed in a collision.
Some of the most common errors that parents or caregivers make are not tightening the harness strap enough and not using a tether strap when required. There are 4 car seat stages that protect your child as they grow: rear-facing infant car seats, forward-facing child car seats, booster seats, and finally seatbelts. Keep your child in their current car seat stage until they reach its maximum weight or height limit. This information is found in the car seat manual or on the seat.
The most important thing to remember is not to rush your child from one stage to the next. Each type of seat is designed to provide the best protection from serious injury in a crash. Using car seats makes your child's safety a priority. Visit the MPI website for more information on child car seats, stages, and installation.
For more driving tips, watch The 60-Second Driver Thursdays at 6 on CTV News. Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance.